That home run for Kyle Thomas is his second of the season.
Y'all thought it was sweet, huh?
And your final line score for today's game, Lewis scored 7 runs on 13.
On both, you guys found yourself down early in the game. What was the key to coming back?
Key to coming back was we put good team at bats together. Everybody got it to the next guy, and we all got big, timely hits.
You had a base hit, scoring the game with a run. How does it feel?
It feels pretty good. I couldn't do it out with my teammates getting the runners on base, butting them over, and then letting me drive them in.